Welcome to the Island Queen Millionaire's Row Sightseeing Cruise in Miami. The moment you arrive, the city softens its voice. The air feels warm and open, carrying the scent of salt and sunlight. Water glides gently beneath the boat, and the distant sound of the harbor hums like a slow, steady heartbeat. Palm trees sway along the shoreline, and the sky stretches wide, painted in soft blues and glowing gold. As the boat eases away from the dock, Miami seems to exhale, inviting you to slow down and simply drift. This stretch of water has always been a place of movement and dreams. Long before the skyline shimmered with glass and light, these calm bays guided fishermen, travelers, and early settlers who followed the tide toward possibility. Over time, Miami grew into a city shaped by the sea, a place where cultures met, stories crossed paths, and ambition rose alongside the sun. Along these islands, homes were built not just as shelters, but as reflections of vision, success, and imagination. Each shoreline whispers of eras gone by, of jazz drifting from open windows, of celebrations carried on warm night air, of lives lived close to the water. As the cruise continues, the city reveals itself in quiet layers. Mansions rest behind palms and gates, their reflections rippling gently across the bay. Some feel bold and modern, others timeless and elegant, but all seem to listen to the same rhythm of water below. The skyline watches from a distance, tall and patient, while seabirds glide effortlessly overhead. The colors shift with every passing moment: turquoise water, white sails, green islands, and the soft silver of sunlight dancing on waves. There is no rush here, only motion without urgency. You move deeper into the experience, as if walking through a living postcard. The boat glides past hidden coves and open stretches of bay, where the breeze cools your skin and quiet fills the space between thoughts. Laughter drifts softly from nearby decks, then fades again into calm. The gentle rise and fall of the water becomes a melody, steady and reassuring. Each turn offers a new view, a new pause, a new reason to breathe a little deeper. Some places stay with you not because of what you see, but because of how they make you feel. This journey leaves a sense of ease, a reminder that beauty does not need to shout. It lives in reflections, in slow movement, in the feeling of being carried rather than pulled. Long after the boat turns back, the calm of the bay lingers, a quiet confidence, a soft glow in memory. As the cruise gently returns, the city comes back into focus, but something within you remains unhurried. Imagine yourself here once more, floating between sky and water, held by warmth and light. And when you leave the Island Queen Millionaire's Row Sightseeing Cruise, a part of it stays with you. Quietly. Gently. Like the tide, returning again and again.